Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out Tuxedo computers. So Tuxedo computers offer computers with pre-installed Linux. So they have got their own operating system called Tuxedo OS, and till recently, that is just maybe a few days back, they were offering Tuxedo OS only for the Tuxedo computers, but now they have given free access to the Tuxedo OS for all the PCs and laptop desktops. So you need not buy the Tuxedo computer to use the Tuxedo OS. So Tuxedo OS can be installed on any notebook, computer, laptop, PC, but only few of the features might not work, but otherwise generally you can use it. So let us check out their website. So this is the website of the Tuxedo computers. So they have got a host of laptops right from 10 inch to 14 inch, 15.6 inch, 17.3 inch laptops are available. They have got business notebooks, deep learning AI, gaming notebooks are also available. You can install Manjaro and some other Linux distros on the Tuxedo computers. Those will work very fine. You even got the mobility notebooks, and you can order online, and they will provide immediate shipping to your address. Now let us check out the computer and PC section. So they got mini systems, MIDI systems, maxi systems, systems with AMD processors, systems with Intel processors, systems with other processors. All their systems are 100% Linux compatible. They offer up to 5 years guarantee. They are immediate ready for use on arrival at your address. They are made in Germany. They follow the German data privacy laws, and you get a German tech support. They also offer some accessories like books and book strips, components for your laptop, PCs and other devices that are manufactured by Tuxedo, so you can repair them easily. They also offer Tuxedo displays, so if you want additional display for your system, you can buy online. There are some further accessories like the mics, headsets, USB sticks, notebook batteries, notebook power supplies, USB accessories. Then there is this business to business section, where you can order the business notebooks, business computers, and there is this Linux master environment. I don't know what is. Let us discover this in some other video. Then there are some novelty section. Let us check out the novelty section. So it is consists of news and blogs. So you can check out here. So it shows some mention given to the Tuxedo computers in media. So there are some media news here that you can check out, and there are some advertisement like for the Tuxedo products. So you can check out the reviews of the Tuxedo products here. So there is a big list, more than 19 pages are there, so you can check it out at your convenience. Now let us go over to the Tuxedo OS. So at the bottom of the web page, there is a section about Tuxedo where you can find downloads and drivers. Then you can check out why Tuxedo OS is preferred over other Linux operating systems for the Tuxedo systems. What is Tuxedo Control Center, individual logos and keyboards, Tuxedo Tomte, Tuxedo Aquaris and Tuxedo OS, and the Tuxedo Web FI. So let us check out one by one. So the Tuxedo Control Center, your notebook, your control. So you can control your notebook using the Tuxedo Control Center. There is a dashboard with all the data at glance. You can create and hop between the performance profiles. The profiles that you create are freely customizable. You can control the fan speed of your system. We deliver all Tuxedo notebooks already pre-installed with our system Tuxedo Control Center. You can find the app under the system tools. There is a software store, that is the Tuxedo software store. You got the Tuxedo web FAI, and there is a link to the GitHub page for the Tuxedo OS. And there is a small guide to how to start the TCC, that is the Tuxedo Control Center, and the different hotkeys that are used to control your system using the Tuxedo Control Center. So these are some hotkeys are there. So the system monitor displays real-time data about your CPU, graphics card, clock rates, temperature, and fan speed. So you can control it through the Tuxedo Control Center. Then you can even control the themes using the Tuxedo Control Center. So these are the power profiles that you can control using the Tuxedo Control Center. You can create custom power profiles using the Tuxedo Control Center. So the screenshots are available. You can check it out. Now we will go over to what is Tuxedo Tomte. The word Tomte is Swedish and means something like goblin or leprechaun. So it is a kind of helper software. It is a driver configuration service. So whatever you do with the system, it is not telemetred back to Tuxedo. So Tuxedo does not peep into your system. So whenever the system starts, Tuxedo Tomte automatically checks if drivers are available, and if new packages are there, then it will detect the new packages and offer the updates for the installation. So some kernel commands are given, terminal commands are given to block the kernel, to show the Tomte list. To block, you can even block the Tuxedo mirrors using the Tomte driver configuration. You can reconfigure. So suppose the configuration is failing, then you can reconfigure the configuration. So many things are there. We will check out this during the detailed review. Now what is Tuxedo Aquaris? Tuxedo Aquaris is the external water cooling for selected Tuxedo notebooks. So Tuxedo Aquaris supports the notebook's conventional air cooling, resulting in significant reduced chassis and CPU and GPU temperatures and lower overall fan noise. Alternatively, the additional cooling capacity can be invested in maxed out CPU and GPU performance for rendering at record speeds. Due to the need to drain the internal cooling pipe of the notebook before each transport, Tuxedo Aquaris is explicitly designed for stationary use at desk. So this feature we might not be able to check out, but you can check out the video here, how to use the Tuxedo Aquaris. So it is given here. You can open this link and then you can check it out for yourself. But this won't be able to show you in the detailed review because it will require the piping, and we don't have our piping. We are not using a Tuxedo computer for the review. And finally, the Tuxedo OS. So Tuxedo OS is a color-made OS for the Tuxedo systems. So you can see it is based on KDE desktop. It has got a modified Linux kernel optimized for Tuxedo hardware. It is simple by default, powerful when needed. Linux qualified customer support is available, and it is powered by KDE Plasma. You can see here, you can download the Tuxedo OS. You can install it on any of non-Tuxedo system also, but only certain features of the Tuxedo Control Center won't work. Otherwise, the KDE desktop will surely work with all the features, but only the Tuxedo specific features won't work. So some will work, some will not work. You have to check out by trial and error method only. We cannot say on which hardware profile which feature might work or which might not work. So you have to check it out for yourself on your system. So you got the features of web, email and chat in the operating system. You got Firefox, web browser, Chromium, Opera, Thunderbird, Gear is there. So host of email clients are available, and it is totally absolutely free to use. So you can download the Tuxedo OS and install it on your system. There are some other popular software which is available free. So it has got support of NVIDIA GeForce now. So you can install the proprietary NVIDIA drivers on your system and use it for gaming. And this is the KDE settings. So you can do the system settings using the KDE settings. So if you purchase the Tuxedo OS with a Tuxedo system, you will get online help, email support and phone support also. You can try out the Tuxedo OS on your system for free, and if you are satisfied, you can continue using the Tuxedo OS. It is free. Else you can buy a Tuxedo notebook, computer or PC, and then it will come with Tuxedo OS pre-installed, and you can better enjoy it because all the features of the Tuxedo OS will work. You can do a live preview, you can repair your system, you can install the system using the Tuxedo USB. Then there is this system diagnostic center. So I think you can do the diagnosis of your system using the Tuxedo support. So Tuxedo support will contain the system diagnostics. So some screenshots are given. The diagnostic software will collect information for these 14 things. So it will not collect any personal data or credentials, only the system information and logs will be collected for your hardware and software configuration. And there is an alternative way also. You can run this system info script and then you can upload it for diagnosis with the customer support. So there are some shipping cost and delivery items, so you can check it out. It is free shipping in Germany. We are delivering your order in almost every country inside Europe, even free of charge. All shipping fees as well as the threshold amount for free shipping are listed below. So shipping cost is 3.99 euros at max. 3.99 euros shipping fee for all the orders below 35 euro of goods, and free shipping for all the items above 35 euros. So you can check the shipping cost country wise for EU region or European region, and some countries are outside the EU or European region. Time of delivery 7 to 10 working days inside Germany and 10 to 12 days outside Germany. For pickup orders, we can tell you a time date for picking up via email as soon as your goods are ready. For these orders, we don't charge any shipping fees. Payment methods: credit card, advance payment. You can pay the Tuxedo account given here. The IBAN number, SWIFT number is given. There is software payment. Different payment types are given there. You can do cash on collection or cash on delivery. Financing or leasing options are available. Payment on invoice, PayPal or PayPal Plus, cash on delivery. So different payment systems are available. Pack station and shops. So the DHL recipient service is available for the customers inside Germany only. So with this, I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the installation of Tuxedo OS as a virtual machine in Gnome boxes. See you then. Bye.